This sachet one is free for the kids. It's tradable. When you order for the premium capsule, which come in 6 count, they give you this one for free. This sachet for free. Yes, let's unbox this together. I just got this from the postman today, so I want to unbox it in presence of my Whitey family and friends. So this is how we roll. Actually, I ordered for the premium capsule online. That is how we do it. You order it through online and they will deliver. You put your address, all your details, your information, and they will deliver it to you. So this is it. This is the manual I saw inside where the prices are written, and this is the receipt inside. I ordered for premium capsule and I was giving the chewable for the kids free. So if you've not ordered for your own, I'm going to be putting my website on my description box so you can order for your own. It's not that expensive. It's product that is very good, that will boost your immune this period. You need it. Yes, every one of us need Juice Plus this period. It's going to boost your immune because of this virus that is going around. I'm not saying we cure it, but it will boost your immune. That is it. So if you order for your own, it will come in 6 count. You take two from each every day. That is making it 6. You take 6 and it will last you for 4 months. 4 months. So this one I'm bringing out for the kids. It's chewable. Yes, they love it. It's very good. If you've not ordered for your own, I want you to order for your own. It's very good and it's a product that you can pay instrumentally. You don't need to pay once. If you can't pay once, you can pay instrumentally for 4 months. So you can see the company is a good one. I call this Goldie Up.